channel Learn and Fun with Swasti. Today I have a great video for you. I have an unboxing video and I'm gonna unbox a gift that I got for my birthday. And enjoy! Let's see what is it. Ta-da! It's an archery set. Let's unbox it. And this archery set is 5 years plus, and we could do a bow and arrow. Let's open it. Oh my God! I'm so shocked to see what's inside. Let's see. God, I'm serious. This is cool. These are the bows that we need. And what else do we hear from me? I think these are the legs. I don't know actually. I think this is a case. Let's see. It is a case. Interesting. Let's see what is this. This is actually food. And what is this? This must be another leg. This is the instruction. Finally found it. More parts. Ugh. Can't reach that. Got it. One. Oh. Last piece. Reached it, but I don't know if I could get it out. Oh, got it. F. I'll fit it by looking at the instructions and I'll show you. So I am assembled with all of the things. This is the bow and this is the arrows, and inside to keep the arrows, this is the arrow case, and this is the target, and this is 100 points. That is the bullseye. 75, 50, 20, and 10 point. And do you know that Lakshman and Ram and Lakshman uses bow and arrows to kill bad people that try to attack their family? Let me show you how I'm shooting it. Watch out, guys. I'm gonna shoot now. Did you see my Archery Set assembly? If you liked my video, please like, share, comment, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Bye.